Tim, what's gonna happen today?
Anything. Who knows compared to what happened yesterday?
Well, I hope we don't do that.
God. No, it's better than one Sherp. Two Sherps.
Deuce. Okay, we're starting out on our little adventure here. Just so you know, my buddy Tim, we grew up together. We went to school since kindergarten.
Yes!
We have quite a history of doing really, really dumb stuff together. So one day I'll tell you guys about the shotgun and mailbox story when we were 16. But that's for another video. But yeah, anyways, Tim bought a Sherp and he really likes it. And he's got about 25 hours on it. So I think I might be able to show him a few things today. I got about 100 hours on mine now. So we're gonna go out and, you know, see what we can find, see what we can do. Hopefully we both make her back. You know, one Sherp is pretty unstoppable. I don't know, two Sherps. I don't think there's anything you can't do. After this, maybe we may try to fly to the moon. I don't know.
Honk you out of the way.
We got Mark up here from Ontario, Mark Freeman. I'm sure all you guys are subscribed to this dude's channel.
I'm getting impatient.
They almost died yesterday. You stay tuned to his channel.
We almost, but barely. We made a cannon and then shot it at ourselves, barely.
Yeah. You'll see the video on his channel, man. I watched the video last night and man, I was like, wow, I was scared for these guys. So it's good that they're here today and still alive. So stay tuned on his channel, Mark Freeman 408, and check that video out. And let's get this party started. What's he doing now?
I don't know.
What's happening over there? This is a pretty nice October day.
Not bad, eh?
Not too bad. Everywhere south of us is getting hammered with snow, so I'll take it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, no kidding. Basically Thanksgiving long weekend this weekend. Up in Canada, it's a little earlier than in the States, so we got a little Sherp adventure going here. So we just smashed out into the water here. We got a little area to explore over there. We're gonna go check out. There's like a whole bunch more blowdowns and than there were last time, so she's gonna get pretty technical, boys.
What happened to him?
that tree.
Oh my God. Wow. Ah, there we go. You got your GoPro? And that's how you get her done! Woo! Like this, that's how crazy these logs are, man. They're solid. Okay, now I gotta land this baby. Alright, back up a little, and come to Papa. We're into the more technical advanced Sherp classes now. We'll see how he does. He's got a jam. I don't know, he was not paying attention in Sherp class. Oh yeah! Woo!
Hey, he showed you.
Yeah, no kidding. Nice!
He's actually giving her the gas now.
The pupil is now the teacher. Except for when he ran into that tree just now and stalled it. Oh, that was freaking sick, man. That was awesome. Holy. It's okay, we got two. Oh my God. And just like that, car ramrod number 2 is through. All right, we got to follow him now.
I know. We got to one up him.
Exactly. Can you imagine if we get stuck now?
That'd be embarrassing.
Oh man, he did so good.
Your seat's way bigger than that.
It's because the stereo.
Oh.
Holy macaroni! Holy macaroni! Woo! Wow, that's yep, this could make it. You just have to gear it out and send it. That was freaking awesome. What a dope. Look at this ice. This stuff's not as bad, it's kind of out in the sun. The other stuff in the shade was pretty chunky. Yeah, we're getting some minus 10, minus 12 nights, like crazy. Yeah. It's nice out there now. Beautiful, beautiful day. This is all different too. There's a couple more blowdowns here. Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Yeah, usually muskeg and stuff doesn't really stink too bad, but these back swamps, they are a little smelly. Those dumb things, eh?
Yeah.
Got her! Pay attention here. Ding right in the face.
There you go.
Hi, Mr. Tree!
Oh, look at him! Killing you!
We're getting passed on the outside!
He's got us on the outside corner! Look at him!
Oh my god!
He showed you.
Who brought this guy?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, that was too easy. Look at the ice! Look at the ice! Holy cow! Man, a couple more cold nights and we're not going to be able to do this until we can be on top of the ice.
Freaking icebreaker.
Yeah.
There's a photo.
Okay, hop out. Hop out and grab us a photo. I don't know. Yeah, you should be able to hop down from the front, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not.
Here, back down.
Okay.
Let me get out of here, then
Okay.
we'll get a photo.
Alright, I'll get a little steeper when we were in here.
Yeah.
I can't get it as steep.
You gotta go a little more left. Up. There you go. Right there. Perfect.